This is how to use the worm composting bin. You just take your food scraps and you feed it in the inlet like this, and it should be chopped finely, or just how you would when you're preparing the food waste for the food. And if it gets stuck, then you just push a little like that. You push it in, and then you keep feeding. Then you just leave that there when it's done, and inside the food waste will just fall in a pile, and the worms will just continue eating as they like, and it's the perfect conditions for them. So that's all you need to do, just feed from the inlet, and just only feed it spoiled fruit and vegetable, and that's only raw spoiled fruit and vegetable, not anything cooked. Tea bags, coffee grounds, and fruit and veg offcuts like this one, and then everything in the bin will be perfect, and it will give you compost in no time.